Let's cheers for healthy living, healthy options, still enjoying the good food, good price then. So guys, this is our table. Ayun. So, Mami, this is not our first time to actually try yung mga keto, di ba? Tama ba?
Yes,
However, na-try natin yung mga keto meals sa bahay.
Sa bahay, and we really miss them.
Actually, we miss them.
Nag-enjoy tayo.
Yes. So, I'm actually happy and happy to let you know as well. Lahat po naman nagtatanong sa amin kung may keto ba sa Pampanga. So, this is it. This is actually a physical food store, a restaurant na you can actually taste yung mga keto meals, mga keto dishes. At the same time, meron din tayong mga, so ito yung mga products that you can actually take home that are still keto. So
and open for non-keto din, non-keto
yes,
din.
Yes. So
buong family.
Buong family, yan. So
parang nasa heaven sa video.
Ayan. So how do you feel?
Yeah, I'm excited at the same time. I'm happy.
Lagi tayong nagke-crave ng, look at this, barbecue ribs. Oh! But this is keto.
Keto po is a low-carb diet and then also high-fat. So yung mga nagko-consume nito, chine-change natin yung energy source from carbs to fats, kaya siya keto. So ketosis, from the word ketosis, keto.
Yung mga keto pala, you can actually have a wide of choices.
Yes.
Kasi I've learned na binabago mo lang yung ingredients, mga approved keto ingredients, and that actually makes it keto-approved meal.
So healthy is achievable na.
So we have appetizers, meron tayong salmon bruschetta, spring roll, and classic okoy, which is we're going to taste later on. So they also have soup. So they also have pizza, which is ito, meron tayong sample dito. This is spinach pizza for all-day breakfast. Of course, meron tayong eggs benedict. We also have burger steak at saka chicken tapa.
Siyempre, big scallops.
Wow, for snacks, we have, yun nga, big scallops. Ito yun. We also have salad and sandwiches. So salad natin, this one, example. For mains, meron tayong classic kare-kare.
Pork dishes we have.
Pork dishes din.
Baby back ribs.
So for pasta, this is non-keto naman. So ito yung black ink pasta natin. We also have some drinks, no? Meron tayo ditong, this is strawberry white mocha. This is keto approved. Ayan. Meron din tayo ditong roasted almond with coffee jelly. Whoa, I like it.
I have here tres leches.
Tres leches means 3 milk.
3 milk.
But I think that one is non-keto.
And this one too, Vietnamese egg coffee.
Egg coffee. That one is non-keto rin. So, sa mga naghahanap ng mga coffee shop, coffee lover, this is actually another option for you to try. Place to stay. Actually, for the ambience, I give it a parang 8 out of 10.
Yes.
No? Actually, we were invited na we visit during the evening or nighttime. Ang kagandahan din dito, hanggang 10 p.m. sila. 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now, during the evening, it is actually a lot cozier.
Yes. So after your work, after your school, you can directly go here.
Yes.
No?
So,
and enjoy your keto.
Actually, no excuse. Parang sasabihin mo, hindi ko nakapag-prepare. Or, so, they actually extend or widen yung hours of operation para walang excuse yung diet plan, meal, whatever you call it.
So, no excuses na.
No excuses.
Noong time na sinabi niya, i-open natin yung business na keto. Una, parang, ano yun? Anong keto? Parang akala ko dati, name siya ng company na keto talaga. Yung pala, it is a kind of diet. Tapos sabi ko, perfect siya sa'yo since nutritionist ka. At least, meron ka ng background about healthy lifestyle.
Actually, nung nag-start po kami, 3 lang po. Pero ang kinikater po namin is Pampanga lang. So hanggang po sa dumami, naging 30, 80, 100, hanggang umabot po kami ng almost 200 clients.
Siyempre, maisip mo una blunt, pero kapag tumagal na, makikita mo naman, there's no totally difference. Kasi bakit? Gumagawa kami ng mga own sauces namin. May mabibili ka talaga, mga keto-approved na mga sauce. Pero syempre, para magusto mo yung taste preference mo, may lasa pa din siya. Ikaw mismo yung gagawa ng mga sauces mo. Para may lasa pa din yung mga food. Ayaw kasi namin yun eh. Kakain yung client na isipin nila, ay, walang lasa. So syempre, ang gusto namin, which is come from the name, satisfying meal. So dapat satisfied si customer pag kumain sila sa amin.
Oh, look at that. Spinach?
Papay.
Papay. This is baked scallops, guys. You know. So let's just squeeze it straight here. Yeah, guys. So let's put it on top, just like this. Creamy. Ayan. Mami, sorry, last na lang to. Alam ko hindi pwede to, pero let's keto.
Sa meal plan namin before and also here in restaurant, gusto namin masatisfied sila. So, anong gusto namin? So, Ketoffage, even though it is a diet meal, masasatisfied pa din sila doon sa kinakain.
So, ito po talaga yung maganda na may isasabi namin na makakatulong para po sa mga tao pong gustong kumain na alam nila hindi po sila magigilty sa huli.
So sa lahat daw ng mga bawal sa seafood, saka bawal sa nuts, pwede nilang i-customize yun.
Or modify.
Yeah, parang siya.
Parang bawal ako dun. Para sa akin, we're just gonna enjoy it off camera. Once again, thank you so much, Ketoffage, for inviting us. We are really happy na mayroon ng ganito sa Pampanga.
Yes.
So again, for those of you who are searching and asking us, may ganito na bang restaurant sa Pampanga? So meron na po. Ang kagandahan dito, napaka-accessible nila. It's just along MacArthur Highway. Pinaka-landmark natin is
Waltermart.
across ng Waltermart, beside Mabsi, and then pasok kayo dun sa Esquinita. You're gonna be surprised how cozy and how good it is to eat or dine dito po sa Ketoffage. Let's cheers for healthy living, healthy options,
Yes.
still enjoying the good food, good price din.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much, Ketoffage. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. Cheers!
Cheers!